Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to recover disappearing messages on Messenger. So to start, close Messenger app and go to Facebook. Once you're on Facebook, click your profile at the bottom right. Now in here, click the gear icon at the top right. Next, go to Account Center. Next, go to Your Information and Permissions. Next, tap on Export Your Information and tap on Create Export. Next, choose your profile. So select a profile to export your information. And in here, choose Export to Device, or you can also choose Export to External Service. Just choose one. And in here, tap on Customize Information. Next, you can tap on Clear All and just select Messages. So make sure you're clear all everything. Also this one, tap on Clear All. Now once done, tap on Save and scroll down and tap on Start Export. You can also select the date and tap on Save and go ahead and start export. So please re-enter your password to continue and tap on Continue. And it will be exported to your device. So Facebook will let you know if the export is finished. So that's the first method. Now, the next method you can do is to go to Facebook Messenger and let's turn off vanish mode. So if messages disappear after being seen, vanish mode may be enabled. So open the chat, swipe up from the bottom of the chat screen. If vanish mode is on, it will turn off. So keep in mind, messages already disappeared in vanish mode usually cannot be recovered. Now, the next method is to check another device. So, if you were logged into Messenger on another phone, tablet, or PC, the messages might still be cached there. Now, another thing you can do is to turn off disappearing messages. So, open a chat, click the profile's name, scroll down, and go to disappearing messages and make sure you turn it off. And that's basically it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.